Actually, this is already take three. Good day, everyone. I'm going to discuss to you uh, a multiple notes with one stem. So, for example, in this case, we have the quarter notes. There are three quarter notes in one stem. This means that you are going to play these notes together. So, if you are going to clap, this is only one clap. So, it's just one count since there are four bits per measure and the bit unit or the note that receives the bit is quarter note, this one. So this one means that you're going to clap once. Okay, so if it is connected with one stem, it means you are going to clap only once. So the value of this is one bit. Okay, another example, we have this one. Even though how many notes in one stem, if it's connected in one stem, it means you are going to clap only once. So even there are four notes in this case, still you count one. For example, another example, this one. Um, there are four half notes. It means you are going to clap only once, but you count one, two. So we are already complete with the measure. So in the 4/4, we have four counts per measure, or four beats per measure, or four quarter notes. So we have count one, 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 two, or we have one, two, three, and four. Okay. So for example, another example, this one is whole note. Since there are four counts per measure, if you're going to look at this one, if they are vertically aligned, okay, vertically aligned means you are going to clap only once, but you count one, two, three, four. I hope it is clear. And if you still have questions, just put down your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.